Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. Hope you're having a super fantastic day today. Hey, I am coming with another job lead. GoFundMe is hiring, guys. GoFundMe careers. That's where I'm currently at. It's www.gofundme.com careers, guys. And you would just come here, click on whatever is available, whatever you want to click on, guys, for charities, GoFundMe, how it works. This is GoFundMe Careers tab, helping people help each other. GoFundMe is a global community of over 100 million people with the common purpose of helping one another. Our mission is to help people help each other by making it safe and easy for people to ask for help and support causes for themselves, each other, and their communities. In 2022, GoFundMe joined together with Classy, a leading nonprofit fundraising software company that enables nonprofits to connect supporters with the causes they care about. Together, GoFundMe with Classy have empowered people and organizations to raise more than $25 billion since 2010. Our vision is to become the most helpful place in the world. And here's a video that tells you all the things about GoFundMe in GoFundMe careers. It says you belong here. GoFundMe is a platform that exists to serve people from all backgrounds and experiences. We believe that our team should uphold all unique voices and ethnicities in a way that represents the diversity of our world. We are strongest when everyone feels empowered to bring their whole self to work, knowing that they will be included and treated equally. As we continue to change the way the world gives, we are committed to celebrating and uplifting the broad spectrum of human experiences within our company. Their core values are impatient to be great, find a way, earn trust every day, fueled by purpose. Help people do the best work of their lives. They have health and wellness. They have work and life balance. They have time off and paid leave. They have giving back programs. They have investing in you programs, learning and development. And here are all the career and current job openings that they have, from business operations to comms and PRs to compliance to customer experience, design, engineering, finance, human resources, information security, legal, marketing, product management, and sales. And all of these jobs are currently open, guys. As you can see, this is a great place to work, certified July 2018, great place to work. Best workplaces in the Bay Area for women, great place to work. For the millennials, great place to work. We love it here. Our people consistently vote GoFundMe as a great place to work. So I just wanted to share with you guys that GoFundMe is hiring. I was just clicking through to see what jobs are here. And as you can see, if someone wanted to go to senior manager, customer success, I looked up this job opportunity, and this job opportunity here pays up to $180,000. So just click through, find whatever job opportunity works for you guys. Super excited for whoever gets a GoFundMe job. GoFundMe sounds like an amazing place to work, guys. I'm sending lots of love, hugs, and good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. Most importantly, guys, make it a super fantastic day, super amazing day for someone else. You are amazing. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you for watching. You are the best, guys. I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now, friends.